everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 13th to the 17th of April 2026 on Monday. Uncle Caesar asserts ruthless authority over inland. Lily unleashes her pain and trauma on Monday in a violent act of vengeance. Nyao runs for his life when Lily turns the gun on him on Tuesday. Lily hunt down Nyao. Sholipi tests the consequences of her greed, and Babega the senses that Mbata's heart might be elsewhere on Wednesday. The hostage situation escalates in the sugar cane field. Getcha strike back when Kazimuro threatened to kick him out. Sibongiseni worries when he is unable to find Monty on Thursday. Lily breaking point ends in gunfire while Sholipi pressures Hao and Skitty for money on Friday. Babsizo visits Nkunzi in prison and beat him in a game of Chifiancy chess. Lily faces the consequences of her revenge ride. When it's time for Sholipi's unexpected visit to come to an end, she throws a spinner into the works for Hao. Well guys, that's all I have for today. Can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.